Hello, teacher and partners. My name is Dina Moreno Talero. I am 18 years old. I am studying industrial engineering. I will talk about my parents, my daily activities, my city, and my house. My parents. My mother is Marta Talero. She is 40 years old, and she is a housewife. My father. My father is Victor Moreno. He is 40 years old, and he is farmer. Description of my daily activities. I wake at 6 a.m. I eat breakfast at 8 a.m. I work 3 hours. I lunch at 2 p.m. I develop my academic activities. I watch TV on hour. And at night of Nick, him going to sleep. Description of my city. My city is very beautiful. It is called Aquitania. It is geographical space is very extensive. There is a beautiful lake. Its landscape is charming. Its population is cozy and humble. It is very religious city, besides being a tourist town. Description of my house. My house is big and is of color beige. There is ceiling red. There are 8 windows of color green. There are 8 doors of color brown. There is 1 garden. There is 1 bathroom. There is 1 garage. My house is surrounded of a beautiful river. Thank you.